সো হ্যালো গাইস, সো এটা কি হতে পারে যে ইউএস লাইক সেকেন্ড ইয়েমেন রেস্কিউর বাহানাতে ইরান থেকে তারা এনরিচ ইউরেনিয়াম স্টিল করার চেষ্টা করছিল। সো এটা আমার কথা নয়, সো একজন ইউরেনিয়ান স্পোক পারসন এই কথাটা বলেছে যে the rescue was a deception and escape plan. And why did he say that? So you all know that the kind of operation USA did during 48 hours. So they used 200 military troops, including US Navy SEAL Team 6 and US Air Force commandos, and the kind of military weapons and aircraft they used. So they used HH-60, P-4, MH-6 rescue helicopters and MC-130J special transport planes, and they also used MQ-9 drones, A-10 Thunderbolt aircraft, attack aircraft. So these are the kind of equipments they used during the operations. And you need to also understand the location where they left footprint of heavy troops and aircraft. It is very near to Isfahan, and if you know, the Isfahan city is very famous for Iran's nuclear infrastructure and missile logistics. So this could be a very plausible covert operation to steal enriched uranium from Iran. And now the Iranians are projecting this way that they have failed to do what they came to do, and it was a failed operations according to them. Now what do you think about this whole facade and of rescue operation? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.